What's up, guys? This video is going to explain and review a growing popular online marketplace, Mercari. Mercari is a Japanese e-commerce company similar to that of eBay or Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. So if you're having trouble with those previously mentioned apps, you might want to check out this video and see if Mercari is right for you to buy and sell products. Now, Mercari has both a website and an app. This video is going to focus more on the Mercari app. So in order to use both the website and the app, you're going to need to register an account to buy or sell. So the Mercari app is broken into 5 little categories at the bottom. So these are your menu options. This includes the homepage, shopping favorites and saved searches, the selling features, notifications, messages, and your profile. All right, so now we're going to start off with the bottom left home button. So what's unique about Mercari is that it's more of a social media platform than some of the traditional selling sites. You can follow sellers, like items, save searches, save items, etc., message with people, and it helps to promote different items for different people. And interacting with others actually helps promote your items. So the home section is geared more for shopping and purchasing. You have your search bar and different tabs for your saved and liked items or followed sellers. When you click on an item, you're going to see the price, shipping information, the payment methods that a seller is accepting, whether offers are accepted, item descriptions, and additional seller information. In addition, when you scroll to the bottom of an item that you're looking at, you can see similar items for comparison. When you click the search bar, you're going to find more options to find a particular item. There are plenty of filters on Mercari, so you can find the item you need. Mercari also offers something called local. Now, local is a local delivery, so people will come pick up an item and drop it off to you. Or if you're selling, they'll come pick it up and deliver it to the person who purchased your particular product. It's only for people in a certain mile radius, and there's an additional fee attached to that. Now, buyers would save on the shipping cost, but they would have the additional local cost. But one of the benefits of that is it opens it up to people locally, and it might give you more of an opportunity to sell your items. Another cool feature is that you can see the sale prices of items. Now, you can compare the items you're looking for or the items that you're actually going to be selling, and that can help you guide your prices. All right, now the selling feature. This is the tab for listing an item, finding your listings, looking at different earnings, statistics, listing ideas, tips, troubleshooting, etc. Now, listing an item on Mercari is super easy. You can do it in a matter of a couple minutes. Simply click List an Item, add photos, a title, describe your item, add hashtags, category information, and shipping information. Mercari will also help guide your pricing for an item. And it also shows you all the fees and calculations so you can see your net profits right before you actually list the item. So regarding your listings, Mercari has all different analytics. It shows how your listings are doing in terms of likes, views, and allows you to actually promote your item for free. So when promoting, you would simply click promote and it will drop the price of your item a couple dollars, but it will bump it up in the search rankings. Now, in terms of a little experience, I've had way more traction and views with Mercari versus eBay lately. So eBay changed their algorithm, so Mercari is definitely something to consider if you're having trouble selling items on eBay. So one difference between eBay and Mercari is that you actually don't get paid on Mercari until your item is received by the purchaser. So in eBay, you might get paid right away. Mercari, you have to wait until the buyer of the item receives the item and rates you, or a certain amount of time has passed. In addition, you get to rate the purchaser. Once the purchaser receives the item and rates you, you will receive the funds in an account on your Mercari app. So the Mercari fees, just like eBay and other sites, there's a 10% fee right off the top that's taken out. In addition, you have a 2.9% fee for processing and an additional 50 cents when selling with Mercari. So 12.9% off of your listing price plus 50 cents. Those would be your fees, and it's all calculated as you check out or list an item. All right, next we're going to talk about this seller dashboard. So this is a continuation of what we were just talking about. This is your dashboard with all your different analytics, the breakdown of sales, different funds you have, all your withdrawal methods and options. You can attach a bank account, you can put funds into PayPal, those kind of things. But another cool thing is it has analytics in terms of people searching for your items, who's clicking on your items. This is key for potentially making changes to the images you're using to sell your products, or the description or the title and things like that. And like I said before, another cool thing about Mercari is it's easy to find what similar items had sold for. And that way you can adjust your prices to match so that you're competitively pricing your objects. Now your message tab is your inbox tab, and this is pretty straightforward. This is for your notifications, news, or access to messages from buyers or sellers. Lastly, we have the profile tab. Now this is your account information, all your different settings, tax information. If you're going away on vacation and you want buyers to know that there might be a delay in shipping, you'll find that here. You have your help center. It also contains all different shortcuts to other things that we previously went over. In addition, you can see all purchases and invoices for your items if need be. Now, once you enroll in Mercari, you're going to find that you're going to need to verify a couple things so that Mercari can be a safe marketplace. So once you go through all the different steps to verify, you'll have a little check next to your profile, and that will indicate you've been verified to sell. This is also a pretty good feature for you as a buyer as well, to make sure that you are not getting scammed. So overall, Mercari is definitely something to consider in addition to or in lieu of eBay or Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp. One of the best parts about Mercari is I like the search engine optimization features. I like how you can get more views, more tractions. I like how you can rank in searches a little better. You can use hashtags. You also can follow people and engage in things, which can help boost your items. So really the whole point of an e-commerce site is to be able to get traction and make sales. And I've found success with Mercari more than eBay as of late. So definitely consider Mercari. Now, the one drawback of Mercari is it's slightly more expensive fees than eBay. But if you're making more sales, it ends up being a better bargain with Mercari. All right, so that about wraps up this review and tutorial of Mercari and the app. I hope you guys found this video informative and insightful. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.